In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel sheet to fit on one page. Go ahead and open your Excel sheet. This is the file that is printing across several pages right now. When it opens, you should see all your data laid out in rows and columns, with the usual tabs like Home and Insert along the top. Now look toward the top of the window and click Page Layout. When you select it, the ribbon changes to show options for printing, margins, orientation, and more. You will know you are on the right tab when Page Layout is highlighted and you see a group called Scale to Fit near the middle of the ribbon. From there, find Scale to Fit. It is a labeled section on the Page Layout ribbon, usually with three small drop-down boxes named Width, Height, and Scale. Take a second to make sure you are looking at that specific group, not the Page Setup group on the far left. Beginners often miss it because the icons are quite small. Next up, set width to one page. Click the Width drop-down, then choose the option that says One Page. Once you click it, Excel will automatically shrink the columns so that all the width of your sheet fits into a single printed page. You will not see a big change on the grid yet, but this setting will be applied when you preview or print. After that, set Height to one page. Click the Height drop-down and choose one page from the list. This tells Excel to scale the data vertically, so every row fits onto one printed page as well. If your sheet is very long, Excel will reduce the size of the text and cells to squeeze everything into that single page, which is useful for reports or summaries. With both width and height set to one page, click File, then Print to check the preview. When you click File, the screen switches to the Backstage view with a print option on the left and a large preview on the right. Select Print there, and you will see exactly how your sheet will look on paper. If everything worked, the preview will now show your entire worksheet on one page, with only one page listed at the bottom of the preview area. You have now set your Excel sheet so it prints neatly on one page, both across and down. If this helped you get your spreadsheet onto a single page, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Excel fixes.